Have you ever talked near your phone and then started seeing ads about it everywhere? Or bought something online only to have similar ads follow you around? That's no accident. Certain settings track your activity, collect your data, and even drain your battery faster. In this video, I'll show you how to turn those settings off to protect your privacy and save battery life. Let's get it fixed right now. Method 1. Turn off purchase tracking and personalized ads. Open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down, then tap on Google. Now tap All Services. After that, tap Google Pay. Then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now select your data in Wallet. Then tap Manage Payments Data. Now find the option called Personalization within Google Pay. Tap on it and make sure to toggle it off if it's on. It tracks what you buy and where you go to show ads. Go back to your data in Wallet page. Next, tap Manage Passes Data. Then turn off personalization within Wallet and personalization across Google. Method 2. Turn off targeted ads and browsing data collection. Open up the Settings app again. Scroll down a little bit. After that, find the Google. Then tap on it. Now tap on All Services. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Now tap on Ads. Scroll down a little bit here. Find the Reset Advertising ID. Tap on it. Tap Confirm to delete the information that this feature has already collected about you. Tap Delete Advertising ID so that this feature will no longer track you. There are 4 Android settings you should turn off to stop Google from spying on your phone. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.